So I'm going to show you how to use traditional art in digital art. I'm going to show you how to use this app called KaleidaCam. I have two pieces of artwork. This one is a tape painting, and this one is a texture rubbing that I did with crowns and texture rubbing plates. So I'm going to open up the KaleidaCam app on the iPad. Once you have the app open, then you can start taking pictures of your artwork, and what you're seeing is something a lot like what you would see if you looked through a kaleidoscope, but it's your artwork. And then when you go into the photos on the iPad, you can email them to yourself, and you can also email them to me, and I can print them out on the color printer. And then those photos can be used in collages. So you're taking traditionally made artwork and using it in digital art.